We stepped out for the fireworks, the July fireworks, and here at the park we stopped by to see the nearby fireworks in Greer City Park. And here is what we saw: the UE Cobra attack helicopter, first used September 1965. And here you go, the real helicopter, the fighter helicopter that has been used in the war in 1965. We came in the night, so hopefully you can see how close we are to the helicopter. And these are the ones, the rocket launchers and some bullet guns and everything, some sensors, lights. Of course, I'm so bad with the knowledge on these helicopters. So you can see from head to tail, look at the size of the blades, the helicopter fan blades. So there's a damage. And there is pure metal, of course. You hear that? This is a rocket launcher, maybe, I don't know. You comment with what you think or what you already know. I know it's too dark to see, I'm sorry, but I couldn't stop myself from recording a video. And here also you have a gun, a military gun, and probably the camera or the detector. Never saw any like military helicopters from such close. Maybe we should come back again some other day in the daytime to see it. And on the other side there is a military tank also. Maybe I'll just try to get close to that and record one more.